What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Corolla Customs, and we're gonna do a review on the 3/8 electric impact Harbor Freight ratchet, the Earthquake series, coming up. Now, this is what it comes in. It comes in this sturdy case. Let me be the first to say I am so surprised at Harbor Freight. Now, I never used to buy electric tools from Harbor Freight, and the reason being is that I thought that they were crap. I didn't like them. I thought that they didn't hold up well. There was always some kind of issues. Anything I bought electric always had an issue. But Harbor Freight has really blown me away with this Earthquake series. It is amazing. It is crazy good. But let me show you what's inside the case. So in this case, of course, you get the manual, which no one ever reads, so we'll just chuck that to the side. And here you get the charger. Of course, you need a battery to start this thing, and you get the ratchet itself. Now, this is a hefty ratchet. It's not cheap. You can tell that they put thought into making this, and I definitely think it stands up to those bigger brands like Milwaukee, Snap-on. It definitely does. I really do like this. It's not cheaply made. It's not flimsy. The whole base is basically metal. The only part that is actually plastic is the battery compartment and where it goes and the handle. Even the trigger is metal, but the little release of the trigger right there is plastic. But that's it. The rest of this is solid metal. This is such a great construct. Now, using this, I've used this on almost everything to remove batteries. I never once had to break the nuts loose first and then use this to zap it out. As soon as you put this on, it just pulls the bolts out. No matter how stuck it is, this has a lot of torque. Like I'm just blown away by how good this is and how great this is designed. And it feels so comfortable in the hand. The grip is amazing. I urge you guys to pick one up if you're a big fan of doing things yourselves, doing things around the house, working on cars, whatever it is. Pick one of these up. If you use ratchets, get this. It's not even that expensive. I believe I paid 79 bucks for this, which wasn't that bad of a deal. It comes with a charger, awesome carrying case, a battery. Let me hook up the battery and show you how it works, basically, which is simple. So let's put this off to the side. Now, y'all are gonna say, Ryan, I'm not a dumb guy. I know how to figure things out. I know how to add a battery to a ratchet. But some people might not know. So this review will show you how to, and that's how easy it was. Now, anyway, let's get into it. This is the ratchet. Comfortable design. Look at that. It has a lot. It's strong. I'm telling you, it's super strong. Now, the only downside to this is that there is no light. Usually some of the ratchets do have a little light, so when you press it, you can see what you're doing. But that's not a problem because you should be working where there's a lot of light in the space. And if you're not, well, then get a flashlight. It's not that big of a deal. For the price, it's an amazing buy. It's definitely worth it. I don't know the exact torques on it, but I am telling you from firsthand as a person who's using it, not sponsored by anyone, a legit review, it's amazing. The charge time is super fast. The charger does have a light on it. It tells you when it's done. It'll glow green when it's finished. The torque on this is amazing. It breaks bolts loose like nothing. It's such a quicker way to do the job. You don't have to ratchet your hand in there. It fits almost in every space. The feel, it just has this nice, really hefty feel. And basically the only way that you're gonna know what I'm talking about is if you go out, look at the store, pick one up, hold one, borrow one from a friend, buy one. It's definitely worth the buy. You guys should definitely get into this. Like I said, I'm not a huge advocate for the Harbor Freight tools, and let me take that back. I love the Harbor Freight tools. I'm not crazy about the electric tools, but since buying these Earthquake series, I am like in love with them, and I'm definitely gonna be buying more. I actually ended up buying an electric drill. It wasn't Earthquake, it was Bayer, which was awesome. That's like awesome as well. So Harbor Freight, good job. You guys are definitely stepping your stuff up, and it's amazing. So continue doing the good work, and a lot of people are gonna start buying from you guys. The electric series, I mean the Earthquake series, I definitely hope to see more of. It's it's just good, man. You guys gotta get one. You gotta know what I'm talking about. The feel is amazing. The power is great. The charge lasts long. When I used this, I charged it up before I used it, and it lasted me for a whole, I would say, 4 days of use, and I was using this constantly for 8 hours. Well, not for the full 8 hours. I probably used it in an 8-hour day. I would say maybe I used it 4.5 hours. Not straight, but in breaks. Alright, so realistically, in a day, if you had to use it in an 8-hour day, I would say this will probably last you a good 3 hours, maybe 2.5 hours of constant use. And that's pretty damn good. And the charge time is like less, probably 30 minutes or less. It's really fast. It's definitely worth it, guys. Go pick one up. I know this was a quick review. You probably want to hear all these stats and crazy stuff. I don't know them off the top of my head. I don't really care about that. All I did was just buy the tool, use it. I love it. It works. I'm a diesel tech. It works. It does what it needs to do. That's all you guys really need to know. And I'm just saying, go pick one up. If y'all don't want to pick one up, I don't care. Do what y'all want to do anyway. But it's a really good tool, so definitely go get it. That being said, this video is over. Peace out, y'all. Pick one up if you all want to. And if you guys want to see another Harbor Freight tool review of any electric tools that I get from these Earthquake series or the Bayer series, please let me know in the comment section below. If you're new to this channel, also make sure that you hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell notification at the side to stay up to date with all my latest videos. And if you're a Volkswagen lover, definitely stay tuned for the series of this Volkswagen build that I'm doing, and you're gonna enjoy yourselves. The cow's gonna enjoy themselves. Everyone's gonna enjoy themselves, and it's gonna be a party. So I'll see y'all later.